All right, what's going on, guys? So today is a good day because I finally pulled the trigger and bought an offset smoker after literally like years and years and years of just putting it off. You know, sometimes I didn't have the money for it, and then sometimes I just couldn't even decide on what I wanted. So it's out there in the garage right now. It's a mill scale 94-gallon offset smoker. The thing is built like a freaking tank. It's gonna be awesome, so stick around, guys. Check this one out. All right, guys, check it out. Sitting here on the pallet. This is the side with the smokestack right here. I just gotta put that on. As you can see down here, got the smokestack. I think this is the cooking grate right here. So I just gotta get this unscrewed and roll this sucker off. Mill scale, Metal Works, Lockhart, Texas. Let's get this sucker off of here. This thing is freaking beautiful. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw this on the side of the house. I'm gonna get the smokestack on there, get the temperature gauge up in there, get all that stuff taken from the bottom, kind of situate this. So before I pulled the trigger on buying this, I literally thought about every company out there that everybody knows. You know, like Yoder, Lone Star Grills, there's Moberg, freaking Jambo Pits. And I basically considered every price range, you know, every build quality, up and down. Yeah, up and down the line, I was just thinking about, like, as far as quality, you know, I want something that I'm gonna have for a long ass time, and I'm pretty much gonna have this thing forever. And it's pretty damn expensive. It's $4,100, not including the shipping, which is like $750. And I know there's people out there that think it's freaking crazy to spend that much on a pit, but I'm gonna have this thing forever. And I wanted something that I really wanted, that I'm not gonna get sick of. And I actually considered just getting something super basic, like a Old Country Pits, Brazos, which is, you know, pretty decent smoker. But knowing me, I know what's gonna happen is, like, basically, if I have that for a year, year and a half, 2 years, I'm gonna be looking at other smokers. So might as well just get something I really want. And the longer time goes on, I'm gonna forget about how much I spent on this. I mean, it's gonna be all right. So I think I got temperature gauge right there. Give me a little bucket for the grease, the bolts for the smokestack. So I'm gonna get this situated. That big ass smokestack. just want to give you a quick rundown of this mill scale 94 gallon. You got the cooking chamber or the grate right here. Depending on the size of the ribs, if you're doing baby backs or spare ribs, you can probably do like around 6 slabs of ribs, I would say. Then you have this little section right here. Stays hot right above the firebox. You can put a water pan, keep it moist in the chamber. And then down below we have our grease bucket. Everything drains from the center of the cooker, as you can see. Got the large soft wheels, casters, locking casters on all 4 wheels. Heavy duty, good quality construction. Got this wide collector right here. It draws smoke through the chamber. Get that good convection going through there. 1/4 inch steel all the way around. Good heat retention, which is pretty much the standard on all cookers. I mean, any decent cooker is going to have like 1/4 inch. So, looking good there. You got that extra long smokestack with the damper control. That's going to be left open, wide open most of the time. You got the extra long firebox. It's looking like it's a couple feet long. It's pretty long. You can fit some wood splits in there. Got all this post oak. It's the inside of the firebox. I mean, that's pretty much it, guys. Just want to give you guys a quick rundown. Show you my new cooker. I think it's freaking badass. Super stoked. Probably just going to do a seasoning on this. Don't really need to do a video on that because most people know what you got to do. Just treat it like cast iron. Get it all lubed up. Get some fat on there. And I'm going to run this probably for like 6 hours at around 275, 300 degrees. But that's it, guys. Freaking awesome. So I guess the brothers that run this company out of Lockhart, Texas, they used to build pits for Aaron Franklin. So if you're familiar with Franklin pits, these look pretty similar. So I'm thinking, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm thinking that they designed his pits. Then a few years back, they broke off on their own and started their own company. So don't quote me on that, but that's what I think is going on. So super quality. I love this thing already. I haven't even used it, but I got to find out a little bit about fire management. Cut these splits down a little smaller so they can go in there. That's it, guys. I'm gonna learn how to cook on this damn thing and I'll make some videos, do some freaking barbecue. But thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Peace out.